Reheating a burrito doesn't have to be a gamble. We'll guide you through some simple steps to achieve that perfect balance of warmth, melty cheese, and a satisfying crisp exterior. Hey everyone, welcome back to Blog and Good Food. I'm your host John, and today we are learning how to reheat a burrito. Fresh burrito reheating. Microwave method. Step 1. Prep your burrito. Wrap your burrito in a damp paper towel. Moisture is key here to prevent drying out. Step 2. Microwave magic. Place the wrapped burrito in the microwave on medium power for 1 minute. Step 3. Check and adjust. Take a break halfway through to check on it. Is it warm enough? If not, give it another 30-second bursts until it reaches your desired temperature. Be careful, we want piping hot, not an inferno waiting to happen. Stovetop sizzle. Step 1. Heat it up. Heat a pan with a drizzle of oil over medium heat. Step 2. Sear the seam. Place your burrito seam side down in the pan. This is where the crispy magic happens. Step 3. Brown it up. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. Don't be shy. Gently press down with a spatula to get even browning. Step 4. Flip it for even heat. Remember to flip the burrito for uniform heating throughout. Frozen burrito resurrection. Oven OSIS. Step 1. Preheat your oven. Crank up the heat. Set your oven to 375° Fahrenheit, 190° Celsius. Step 2. Wrap it tight. Wrap the frozen burrito snugly in aluminum foil to create a heat shield. Step 3. Bake it up. Bake the burrito for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's heated through. Step 4. Temperature check. Before digging in, use a food thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should reach 165° Fahrenheit, 74° Celsius for safe consumption. Pro tips for peak burrito bliss. Temperature talk. No matter which method you choose, always check the internal temperature of your burrito with a food thermometer. It should reach 165° Fahrenheit, 74° Celsius for safe consumption. Freshness first. Does your burrito boast fresh ingredients like salsa or guacamole? Hold off and adding those until after reheating. This keeps them nice and vibrant, adding a burst of freshness to your warm and melty masterpiece. Experiment and explore. Remember, these are just guidelines. Feel free to experiment and discover the reheating method that best suits your preferences and the specific burrito you are dealing with. Maybe you like a slightly crispier exterior or softer, steamy feeling. The beauty lies in finding your perfect burrito bliss. With these simple steps in your culinary arsenal, you can enjoy a perfectly reheated burrito anytime the craving strikes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious food hacks and recipes.